Gold goes skrrra, karam pum 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 pum. Skaram pum 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 pum. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Welcome, guys, the 29th of May. We have 2 more days left for the month to end. Let's take a look at the monthly here. Never taken a look. Wow, look at that. Look at that monthly ending right there. So the question is, are we going to continue pumping for the monthly to create a strong bullish candle, or are we going to retrace to create a rejection candle for the next months to maybe move down? I don't know. We'll take a look. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily is forming a small bearish candle. We don't know whether it's going to move up or whether we don't know it's going to create market structure to push down back to 2328. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hours in the middle of a storm over here, like a small doji. We don't know what's going to happen. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can see we have a support forming. At the same time, we have some sort of a resistance forming up around 2361. If we break below 2355, we have this wick to fill. 24 pips away, and then we have another one 71 pips away. Let's take a look at this on a 30-minute time frame, because right now we are in a range of 59 pips. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have some more information. A lot of wicks over here, which usually I don't like these wicks, and I don't like the way price is stuck here in the middle of all this. So I'm gonna okay. So this is our support, right? So now we got to look at things more logically. If we break below the support 2355, where is the next support? Next support is around 2353. How far is this? This is 16 pips away. So is this a good sell below this area? I don't think so. Now, if our support is right over here, 2353, let us copy over the zone right over here. The next support is, look at that, 9-10 pips away. Is that a tradable support? No, it's not. So we're going to move this down over here, right? So now we have the support. Okay, so now basically, if we do break below 2352, where's the next level of rejection? Right down over here, this wick 48 pips away. Is that a tradable area? Absolutely. It is a tradable area. And this is where my blue line is going to tell me where I have to sell. I have to sell below 2352, no matter if the earth falls, the sky breaks over, the ground cracks open. I'm going to be selling at 2352. That's my motive for today. 2352, that's all what I'm doing. Now let's take a look at this area right over here. So I was trying to see, so now notice on the 30-minute time frame, we have these wicks. So I was trying to see if this is some sort of a market structure on the 15-minute time frame, and it's not market structure. It's still resistance. So we're going to go off of the 30-minute, and we're going to do this right over here, copy this blue line over to this point, and there we go. We got this area right here. So now we know if we do break above 2362, looking to the left-hand side, 2362. Okay, even though we got this rejection, but this is a resistance area we have. So maybe in it, mate, maybe this would be an area of interest if we do continue to push up, mate. I would say so. Like right now, this is a range I don't want to mess around in, unless, yeah, like all these rejections, wicks over here. So I'm just going to play it safe, and I'm going to wait for price to break below 2352 so I can make like maybe $200, $300. The account is at 7,000 now beautifully. So let's wait and see what happens here. We're still waiting over here for a clear market structure. Now, looking at pound yen, looking at the daily time frame, daily is still pumping. Oh my God, look at that. Daily is still going up and up and up and up and up. We are at this wicks end over here as well. This is the highest of the highest the price has ever been. We are creating yet another resistance. I don't know what pound yen's plans are. I don't know what's his name over there. The Prime Minister of UK. What's his name? I forget his name. Rishi Sunak. What are your plans, mate? Rishi Sunak. So we got the resistance there. And obviously we got a support right over here. If we break below the support, next support is 12 pips away. It's so sad to see pound yen, honestly. Like, it's so, the spread, the range. Like, oh, look at this bullshit over here, man. Look at this. Okay, so from my experience, I've learned this one thing, right? And we'll see. Now, what I've learned is in the past, price will move up in two ways. The first movement is going to be up, down, up, down, up, right? The second movement is going to be what's happening right over here, zigzagging its way up, down. So whenever we have price zigzagging its way up, down, more often than not, it's met with a clean move, boom, like a clean move down, and then we have retracement, and then clean market structure starts to form. And makes sense? Re-listen to the last 15 seconds. So, um, this is just horrible. You know, I don't fancy this price action. I don't like this price action. It's very difficult to do analysis. The only thing I know, if we do break above 200 730, we can we were actually talking about that yesterday when we sent our analysis. You know, like we were at 204, 200, 400. We could go to 200, 500, 600, 700. But the way it's moving up, it's just so bad. I mean, I don't know, man. Even if you break below this area where we had it like 16, 17 pips away, you want me to put a zone right here? I'll put a zone right here. But that's it. But yeah, I'm just going to be waiting for gold here, man. I'm going to wait for gold to break below 23.52, and then we'll see if we can come down over here or not. Until then, I'm chilling. Price is consolidating now. Nothing to do over here. So we'll, yeah, let's see what happens.